Hello, hello. This is your host, Sheraz Ahmed, ready to kick off another bite-sized episode of the Crypto Valley Association podcast. A special thank you goes out to Script for supporting us. Now let's discover together the growing trends of this fast-moving space and try to shed some light on the mysteries it contains. Today, we are joined by Ali Mizani Oskui, founder of FiCAS, a specialized crypto asset investment firm committed to delivering better than market performance through actively managed crypto investment products. So let's dive straight into the hidden world of asset management. Ali, great to have you on the show. How are you doing?
Hello, Sheraz. Thank you for having me. Very well. Everything is very well. I love this beautiful morning in Zug and everything. Okay. Thank you for having me.
Oh, my pleasure. So let's dive straight in. Maybe you can share with us your first blockchain related experience.
My story about blockchain, how I find out blockchain, somebody introduced me to Bitcoin is very interesting. In 2007, I was writing a book about future, about downloading brains to computers. And, at that time, my question was this: is a human being able to immigrate to virtual world like Matrix? And after several years, I studying the neuroscience, a lot of things, I find out that not only it is possible, but also it is very near. And because of growth of technology is not linear, it's exponential. And so I found out that okay, this can be true, but I had a problem. I had a question also about the concept of gold in virtual world. Human being is gradually immigrating to virtual world. We have seen it already from smartphones, about the social media, and also COVID-19 accelerated this process. Now a lot of people, if they have communication with each other in Zoom, a lot of other software online. So at that time, my question was, okay, if we immigrate to virtual world in extreme digital world like Matrix, what will happen to gold? Because in digital world, we can copy everything. Imagine you have a piece of gold and you can copy, paste. You have a lot of gold in digital world. So I thought that, okay, we need something like gold in virtual world, totally separated than real world. I didn't know how to solve this problem till 2013. One of my friends called me and told me about Bitcoin. Okay, there is a coin that with private key, public key, they secured. There is only 21 million of them. You cannot copy it. You can make transactions very fast everywhere. In less than 30 seconds, I was shouting to him, "Buy for me. This is gold of future." and at that time, Bitcoin price was 180.
Okay.
And I bought some, and my story began. It was very interesting.
Oh wow, and that's wonderful. And then did you dive straight into founding FiCAS, or did something come before that?
When I bought, it is also interesting. When I bought my first Bitcoin, after 4 years, price fall down to $70.
Oh.
But I bought it at high at that time. And, but I knew that this is the gold of future. I didn't give up. I waited. I started to some trades. And with that trades, I decreased my Bitcoins also 1/3. Wow. I didn't know anything about trading. I didn't even know that there is something by the name of technical analysis. But gradually I started to invent my tools at the beginning, and after that I started to learn about trading, and finally I was able to increase. Next time I increased my Bitcoin. I tripled my Bitcoins number.
Wow.
And after that, yes, when Bitcoin went up to $1,000 and back to $200 again. At that point, I went to my family, my friends and asked them, okay, invest in this area till 100% profit is yours. About that, we will share 50-50. We entered in $200, $260. And with trading, I made each Bitcoin 2.1 Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin price was $18,000, I quit. Also, I went to television, national television. And I told people, okay, this is time to quit. And after 2 years, it will fall down to 1/5. And it happened. With that trading, I made 90 times profit, 90 times profit to some of my customers that came at the beginning. I made more than 700 people rich in my country, and it is my honor. It's my honor.
Wow. Okay. And how did you know that it was time to quit, to get out at 18,000?
Combination of my old models I designed with AI system. I had some experience with AI systems. With technical things. Also, at that time, I had great team, and also I have that great team. And it was very fantastic teamwork. And I found out that okay, with all of that evidence, I thought at the time that everybody was telling, okay, it is going up. It was huge FOMO. If you remember, at the end of 2017,
yes,
it was a huge FOMO that it was going to be 1 million and other things. But I went to tell and told it is falling down. Be careful. A lot of people told me, no, you are not correct. And I told them, you will see. And exactly it happened and went to 1/5 in 2 years.
Oh, wow. Okay. And so what do you tell those crazy people today when the price of Bitcoin is above 18,000? Are you still bearish? Have the fundamentals changed? What are your thoughts on the current market outlay?
I will tell you about my predictions. I had, I had 5 predictions published when Bitcoin price was around $900. I told it will go to 4K. When it was also there, I told it will it will go up to 18K. And from 18K, I told it will fall down to 1/5. It have all of them happened. When almost 1.5 years ago, I had an interview and told at the end of 2019, Bitcoin price will be between $7,000 and $9,000. It happened. Also, at the same time, 1.5 years ago, I told Bitcoin price will be 20K at the end of 2020. And it happened again, but not exactly 20K.
just not. And do you expect us to continue rising from here? What are your predictions for the following year coming up?
I had my predictions on everywhere. If you search my name, Ali Mizani Oskui predictions, you'll find out my predictions. Yes, at the end of next year, 2021, it will be between $200,000 to $300,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's some prediction, Ali. I hope you're right. I hope you're right.
And thank you. These are I should tell disclaimer that I always tell disclaimer that this is just my idea. This is just prediction, not the advice, economical advice.
Of course.
But 5 times it happened. I think maybe again happen.
So 6th time is the charm, right? Oh, awesome. And maybe so tell us more about FiCAS then, because within FiCAS, you're a crypto asset investment firm. Yes, it really combines your passion and professional life together then.
Yeah. In 2018, when I closed my fund, because, in the future, I see great future for crypto. And I wanted to repeat that successful story again worldwide. I started to search a lot of countries to establish a fund of cryptocurrency, because I know how to trade. I know how to manage the risk. I know how increase the number of Bitcoins. quit on time. Security and stability is very important in crypto because crypto is very volatile and there is a lot of volatility risk, storage risk. These are the experience that normal people, they don't like most of them, they don't have time to educate themselves, have this experience. And I wanted to help people who want to enter to this area, but by safe and easy way. Not, you have heard about empty God 2014, yes. went bankrupt and people lose their money there. You have seen about, maybe you have heard about Currency, Mintpal. These are experiences that are very important. It's not like a stock market. You go to some stock market, buy share, and you put your money there, and you are 100% that you're 100% sure that okay, your money will be always there. There is some risk. So I feel that we should control this risk, and I wanted to repeat this successful story I had in my country worldwide. I started to search countries. I went Malta, I went Singapore. I tried to have a fund in Cayman Island. Finally, I found Crypto Valley here, Zug in Switzerland, and I'm very, very happy about this decision because at the beginning, Switzerland is amazing country with amazing people, lovely people. They are open for new ideas. They have a lot of innovation. Yes. I like this culture. I like these people. When I came here, I saw also government is very open for crypto. This was the thing that I needed it.
Yes.
So I started to investigate about how I can make an infrastructure, maybe fund, maybe token, security token, maybe something that allow people to invest in cryptocurrency very easy and allow me to manage this investment. At the beginning, we tried private placement also. We have actively managed the certificate AMC, but that product was for accredited investors. Also accredited investors, it will take a lot of time to you visit one by one. Then I didn't like that infrastructure. Finally, we asked PwC, one of the big four companies about audit, to make infrastructure for us that I can help retail people. Retail people can invest in this infrastructure, and we finally after almost 6 months try, we started our first ETP in the world. ETP is exchange tradable product, and this product has a lot of functionality, has a lot of property that retail investors can come and invest here. And in background, we trade with with different top 15 cryptocurrencies. People also can invest very easily via their bank or any broker. It's very similar to exactly the stock market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so what would you say are the primary advantages of buying your crypto ETP, for example, other than just buying crypto on a normal exchange?
In every investment, the first priority is to saving the money. Second priority is saving money. Third priority is saving money. 10th priority is saving money. After that is to generating alpha and getting profit. After that, getting profit. And after that, to generate alpha and profit more than holding Bitcoin. In my previous fund, in fact, we generated alpha and we made each Bitcoin 2.1 Bitcoin. And finally, we quit on time. And it shows that none of our customers lost any money. Yes. Because we always increase the money, and at the end we quit on fiat. The main property of our product is we can trade with altcoins, top 15 altcoins, to increase number of Bitcoins. So we can be better than Bitcoin in long term, not in short term. In short term, our main goal is to decrease high drop down level. I mean, the main thing we have here to saving the money and decrease the volatility. Second goal we have is to diversifying custodians. You know, there is some funds, big funds, I don't name that funds in the world that have huge amount of cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately they have just one custodian. It's very, very dangerous. It shows that they don't have any clue about cryptocurrency. You know, cryptocurrency is not like a stock market. You should diversify the storage place. You should diversify the coins. Maybe today Bitcoin is number one coin, but maybe the other coin like Ethereum get the market share of Bitcoin. Maybe Chainlink, maybe other coins. Yes. So you should. It's not like that. You buy Bitcoin and go home, and after 10 years back, and Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin is there. No, it's not always like that. You should be dynamic.
Yes.
I will tell you about quantum computers and how they can affect this. They can have effect to this market. So actively managed portfolio of perfect selected cryptocurrencies is the solution to get profit from this market with low volatility and with low risk. Okay. Also, diversifying is the key for saving the money. We have all of them.
Okay, well, it's very, very interesting. And yes, security is a number one priority. And you have a tagline, right? A slogan that says, "You invest, we care." I mean, I love it. It's simple and straight to the point. Maybe give us a little bit more insight about how FiCAS cares more, let's say, than other asset management firms. Is this really because of the security? What do you do to provide more care in this way?
Yeah, we have 6 custodians at the moment, and we will increase it also. So if one custodian, for any reason, lose their money, we still are safe. And with, for example, one month trade, we can compensate the loss. So the first step is this, that diversifying the custodian. It is it makes a little bit hard for us to manage. Managing one custodian is very easier than managing 6 custodians, but we handle this, but we accept this. Second, we have great team, highly experienced, great team, and we have a trading committee of high experienced people that till now they helped me. In previous fund also in my country, they helped me. Also, we have quant system that's helping us. You know, our decisions are discretionary. They are not. We don't give money to quant system, but this quant system and AI system are helping us to making the best decisions to how to trade. So by these tools, we manage volatility. We try to get more profit, and we control the risk, different risks. Plus, it is easy to buy. We are trying to make ourselves like a bridge between traditional market and crypto area. Crypto area is totally different than the traditional market. A lot of traders, a lot of asset managers that are working in Forex in traditional market, when they come to crypto, at the beginning, at least, they need at least 3 years experience to know what's going on. Fundamentals are the same. Technical analysis are the same.
Yes.
But crypto has something that you need your own experiences. You need to lose some money before to start to help other people. Crypto has huge amount of volatility. It is wild. You should know how to control.
Oh yeah, it definitely is a wild place. And so in this wild place where we have Bitcoin, blockchain technology that is meant to disintermediate in a way, how do you believe the asset management space is going to develop in the cryptocurrency and blockchain sphere over the coming years?
Satoshi Nakamoto invented very interesting system. This is a system. Blockchain technology is amazing system that Satoshi Nakamoto with that mechanized trustness. anybody in blockchain technology lie, he will lose money. So it was the best invention in last 500 years in economy. This technology is not exactly about money. It's not about decentralizing them just money. In the future, the technologies inspired from blockchain technology will decentralize the power, will change the shape of governments, will change the shape of countries. And I'm seeing, and I'm futurist, I'm seeing this charts, I'm seeing this trends that human being is going to immigrate to virtual world. Step by step, we are doing. Coronavirus accelerated this process, but this is destiny of human beings. We should go more to this, and and blockchain technology is one of the key parameters there to decentralize power. Let me say you in a little bit extreme digitalization. In extreme digitalization, we will live in a world like matter. My book is about this. How we can download brains. What is consciousness? Who is inside our eyes looking to the world? Will we be able to download this consciousness in computer? Can we make robots that feel consciousness inside them? What is qualia? What is color? What is pain? Are they real? These are the questions that I answered in my book. And the answer leads us that yes, we will live in extreme. Human being is able in future, in like maybe till 2060, we will be able to also cure death. Death is some kind of illness. Human being can cure it. I don't believe that this is destiny. No, we can cure it. So this digitalization, extreme digitalization, there is some threats also. You remember the Matrix movie.
Yes.
Some government, some big power, some scientist that downloaded our brain to computer says, okay, we go mad and says, okay, I'm your God, worship me, or I will change your paradise to hell. What should you do? So decentralization of power is more important than decentralization of money. This is just beginning. Decentralization of money is just beginning. The main target of blockchain technology and the technologies that will inspired from blockchain technology, not exactly blockchain technology, will decentralize the power, will decentralize the government, will decentralize the country. I asked my data scientist to make logarithmic regression of total market cap of cryptocurrencies. As I told, I'm futurist, and they simulated. They made this chart for me, logarithmic regression of total market of cryptocurrency. This chart shows that at the end of 2021, just 1 year later, total market cap of cryptocurrencies will be between $5 trillion to $13 trillion.
Wow.
What does it mean? Now, total market cap of cryptocurrencies are 500 billion. So I asked my data scientist, okay, continue the chart. I want to see after 50 years, what will be total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. I thought, okay, the 30 trillion will be maximum will be $20 trillion. Maximum will be $50 trillion. Total market cap at the moment in the world is $85 trillion. And when they continue the chart, I saw that the price is growing up and the total market cap is growing up. And it is more than $1,000 trillion. It was very strange for me because that chart, we use MATLAB software for that. And that chart has very detailed data, a lot of data. It is meaning that we have very accurate charts here. And why it shows that after 50 years, total market cap will grow up that much. I found that there is two parameters will happen in this chart. Not only cryptocurrencies will be mainstream, but also fiat monies are going to lose their value. dollars is going to lose its value. If you see last 30 years from 1970, you will see that purchase power of dollar is going down, and now it is 120s. 20 times is less than 30 years ago, purchase power of dollar. This trend will continue and will be accelerated. It is not a good thing. It has some threats. No. Because dollar is backup money for a lot of countries. And this domino, if happen, we will have a huge problem in economy next 5 years, starting from next 5 years. Yeah. So this is very important sign. Also, from that chart, I found out that there is another important thing. Fiat money is main power that governments have. They control nations. Some money is not just money. It is some controlling tools for economy in each country. So if fiat money lose its value, maybe it has effect to countries, governments, to concept of countries, concept of money, concept of the value of fiat monies in any countries can affect it. And we will have a lot of change in the future, but not bad change. These are very interesting. We will have more freedom in future. We will have more change in concept of power. And blockchain technology is just beginning.
Well, thank you so much, Ali, for that futurist and borderline scary vision of the future.
No, it's not scary. It's good. I thought, yes, any changes at the beginning seems okay. It's scary, and no, we should not do that. No, why not? Every change has a lot of good parts. And actually, this chart don't show that some power from out of the universe will come and make this change. The human being will select this change.
Yes,
because it is good for them.
Yeah, let's see, right? Only time will tell, and unfortunately our time is up here today, but it was very inspiring. Ali, thank you so much. Maybe do you have any final words you'd like to share with our audience before we finish here today?
At the beginning, again, thank you for having me here. And blockchain technology, cryptocurrency is future of the money. It is very risky to not have this asset class in your basket. I tell this for asset managers. The duty of asset managers are not just saving, generating a little profit, 5%, 10% profit in fiat. That is just numbers. They should think about value of that money. Fortunately, in Switzerland, you have very strong money. We have very strong money. This is very good. Anything I told, it is about general world, most of the countries, especially dollar. Maybe in Switzerland, most of asset managers don't see huge threat because they use stable money. But they should think from now on, they should think about saving the purchase power of their customers, not only just increasing dollar numbers in their basket.
No, it's true. It's kind of that saying whereby is the value of your Bitcoin increasing, or is the value of the fiat currency that it's representing decreasing, right? But it was a wonderful chat, Ali. Thank you so much for the inspiring words. And if you all enjoyed this conversation, feel free to check out more on our website, cryptovalley.swiss, where we host plenty of events, educational content, and even provide information on how you can join our growing community. Thanks again, Ali, for joining us.
Thank you very much. And finally, I want to say huge thank you for Swiss people. Switzerland they are very open for new ideas. I like this culture. And, I love these people. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. And yes, it's a lovely place to be. So stay tuned, stay safe. And until next time from the Crypto Valley in Switzerland. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.